Hello students, welcome back. Let's take up another board question. This question is from electricity chapter and the question is, consider two lamps A and B of rating 50 watt 220 volt and 25 watt 220 volt respectively. Find the ratio of the resistances of the two lamps, that is RA is to RB. Here we have two lamps A and B whose power rating is given as, power rating of A is given as 50 watt and its operating voltage is given as 220 volt. Similarly, the power rating of bulb B is given as 25 watt and its operating voltage is also 220 volt. Now we have to find out the resistance of the two lamps. Now we know the formula connecting power, voltage and resistance is P is equal to V square by R. Therefore, resistance will be V square by P. So using this formula we will find out the resistance of the individual bulbs. Hence resistance of bulb A is V square. V is 220. So it is 220 square by power of the first bulb is 50 watt. So it is 50. Similarly, resistance of the second bulb is 220 square by 25. So solving this, it is 220 into 220 by 50, and for the resistance B it is 220 into 220 by 25. Now this is 5, it is 44. So we get here 44 into 22. Hence the resistance of bulb A is 44 into 22. Similarly for the bulb B, it is 5, 44, again 5, it is 44. So it is 44 into 44. So the resistance of bulb B is 44 into 44 ohm. Now we will not solve these numbers. We'll leave them like that because it will be easier for us to find out the ratio RA is to RB. Therefore RA by RB is 44 into 22 by 44 into 44. So this cancels 2. Therefore RA by RB is 1 by 2. Hence RA is to RB is 1 is to 2. So this is the final answer. Now this is the reason I did not multiply these numbers, because while solving for the ratio, it will be easier for us to reduce it and hence find the answer very easily. Thanks for watching.
Please watch the playlist containing the solved physics questions and numericals from the previous year's board exams. I've shared the link of the playlist in the description box. It will be very helpful to you while preparing for your exams.